Today, we have some exciting news and updates from the tech world. Samsung has officially announced that their next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on July 10th. Among the highly anticipated releases, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 stands out as the most high-end and expensive device. However, when it comes to flagship phones, there's a twist. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 might not be the best Samsung has to offer this year. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to be a significant release, but it seems like it won't bring many changes and upgrades over its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. While it will surely impress with its design and folding technology, it won't match the prowess of Samsung's latest Galaxy S Ultra smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, especially when it comes to camera specs and capabilities. So what's the major difference? One of the standout features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its impressive camera setup. Samsung made a significant change by swapping out the 10-megapixel 10x telephoto camera found on older models for a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. This switch brought many advantages, including the option to capture stunning portrait photos at 5x zoom, in addition to the existing 1x, 2x, and 3x options. Why is the 5x portrait option such a big deal? Well, when conditions are right, 5x portraits can look amazing. The background blur is closer to DSLR quality at 5x zoom, and you can also take portraits from longer distances. This is especially useful when shooting pictures of animals that are easily scared or conscious if you get too close. For example, dogs are an obvious case, but it doesn't stop there. Every morning, a litter of pigeons parks itself outside my house. These pigeons are quick to make a getaway if you get too close. But thanks to the 5x portrait option on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, I can capture beautiful shots without disturbing them. Unfortunately, this incredible 5x portrait feature will remain exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, even after the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is released. The Z Fold 6 is expected to feature the same camera setup as the Fold 5, which means it will only have a 3x telephoto camera. Samsung could use digital zoom to emulate 5x portraits, but with the 3x camera having a resolution of only 10 megapixels, digital zoom just won't cut it. This brings us to an important point. If you are a photography enthusiast looking for the best camera setup on a smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the superior choice. Even with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and possibly a Fold 6 Ultra on the horizon, the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities are unmatched. There hasn't been any evidence suggesting that the new Fold series will surpass the S24 Ultra in this aspect. So, if you're in the market for a phone with the most versatile camera setup, you don't need to wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or the Fold 6 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is already here and offers everything you need from a flagship phone at a more digestible price compared to Samsung's foldables. Sure, it doesn't fold, but it delivers on all other fronts, especially with its superior camera capabilities. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Are you excited about the new features, or do you think the S24 Ultra is the better option? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never missed an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. WHAAT also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.